Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know how much I love a good DIY project, especially when we can give new life to something old and forgotten. And what better place to find those hidden treasures than at an auction? Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of auction finds and how you can turn them into stunning pieces for your home. We're talking statement furniture makeovers, one-of-a-kind decor, and so much more, all while sticking to a budget that would make even Chip proud. So whether you're an auction pro or a total newbie, get ready to learn all my best tips and tricks for finding those diamond-in-the-rough pieces and transforming them into something you'll treasure for years to come. Let's get started. Now, the first step to this whole treasure hunting adventure is knowing where to look. And let me tell you, there are more options than you might think, both online and in person. Online auctions are amazing because you can browse from the comfort of your own home. Sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace auctions, and even GovDeals, where you can find surplus government items, are fantastic places to start. You can find anything from vintage furniture to tools to unique odds and ends. But if you're like me and love getting your hands on something before you buy it, then in-person auctions are the way to go. There's just something so exciting about the energy of an auction house. Plus, you can really inspect the pieces, check for any hidden flaws, and get a feel for the quality. Estate sales, storage unit auctions, and even farm auctions are gold mines for DIY finds. You never know what treasures you'll uncover. Now, I know auctions can seem a little intimidating, especially if you're new to the game. But trust me, with a little preparation and a bit of confidence, you'll be bidding like a pro in no time. Before you head out to an auction, whether online or in person, it's always a good idea to have a plan. Start by deciding what you're looking for. Do you need a statement piece for your living room? Or are you on the hunt for some smaller decor items? Having a list will help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked by all the exciting finds. And speaking of getting sidetracked, one of my favorite things to do at auctions is to keep an open mind. Sometimes the most unexpected pieces can spark the most creative ideas. So don't be afraid to venture outside your comfort zone and consider items you might not have initially thought of. Remember, you're not just buying an item at an auction, you're buying a story, a piece of history. And with a little love and imagination, you can give that piece a brand new chapter in your own home. Okay, so you found an auction, you're ready to bid. But how do you know which items are worth your hard-earned money? Well, that's where my years of experience come in handy. Let's talk about how to spot those diamond-in-the-rough pieces, just waiting for a little TLC. First things first, always gravitate towards natural materials. Solid wood furniture is a dream find at auctions. Think sturdy dressers, charming side tables, or even those gorgeous old doors that can be repurposed in so many ways. You can easily sand down imperfections, add a fresh coat of paint, or embrace the natural patina for a rustic look. Another favorite of mine? Vintage mirrors and frames. They add so much character and charm to a space. Don't worry if the finish is a little worn. A quick coat of spray paint can work wonders. And you can find amazing artwork or even beautiful fabric scraps to put inside, creating a one-of-a-kind piece. Now let's talk storage. Those old trunks, chests, and suitcases you sometimes see at auctions? Don't pass them by. They're like storage solutions just waiting to happen. A fresh coat of paint and some new hardware can transform an old chest into a stylish coffee table or a statement piece in your entryway. And don't forget about lighting. Lamps and light fixtures are often overlooked at auctions, but they offer so much potential. A little spray paint, a new lampshade, and voila, you've got a custom lighting solution for a fraction of the cost of buying new. Now, when you're looking at any item, it's important to give it a good once-over before bidding. You want to make sure you're not investing in a piece that's beyond repair. Check the structure. Is it wobbly? Are there any major cracks or breaks? Surface scratches are okay, but anything structural might be more trouble than it's worth. Open drawers, test hinges, and make sure everything is in working order, or at least repairable. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Most auctioneers are happy to answer any questions you have about the items up for bid. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry, and a little inspection goes a long way in making sure you're getting a good deal. Alright, now for the really fun part, transforming those auction finds into something amazing. I've got 3 project ideas to get your creative juices flowing, all using items you can often find at bargain prices at auctions. Project number 1 is turning an old dresser into a chic kitchen island. This is one of my favorite ways to add functionality and personality to a kitchen on a budget. First, you'll want to find a solid wood dresser, preferably with dovetail drawers. That's a sign of quality construction. Once you've got your dresser, remove some of the drawers to create open shelving, keeping a few for storage. Next, give it a good sanding and apply a fresh coat of paint in a color that complements your kitchen. Now for the fun part. Attach a butcher block or a piece of reclaimed wood on top to create a durable and beautiful countertop. You can find affordable butcher block countertops at most home improvement stores. To finish it off, add some new hardware and consider adding rolling casters to the bottom for easy mobility. And there you have it, a custom kitchen island with tons of character, all for a fraction of the cost of buying new. For project number 2, let's transform those vintage frames we talked about into a stunning gallery wall. This is a great way to add personality to a blank wall and showcase your favorite art prints, family photos, or even beautiful fabric scraps. Start by cleaning your frames and removing any old glass or backing. Then give them a fresh coat of spray paint. I love using gold, black, or white for a modern touch. Once the paint is dry, arrange your art or fabric inside the frames. You can use matting for a more polished look or leave it as is for a more eclectic vibe. Finally, use a hammer and nails or picture-hanging hooks to arrange your frames on the wall. Experiment with different layouts until you find one you love. And just like that, you've got a one-of-a-kind gallery wall that reflects your style and didn't break the bank. For our final project, let's repurpose an old door into a statement headboard. This is a fantastic way to add rustic charm to your bedroom without spending a fortune on a new headboard. Look for a solid wood door with interesting details or panels. Once you've found the perfect door, give it a good cleaning and sand down any rough edges. You can leave the natural patina or apply a stain or paint to match your bedroom decor. Finally, use heavy-duty mounting brackets to securely attach the door to the wall behind your bed. Make sure to find studs for extra support. And there you have it, a unique and stylish headboard that adds character and charm to your bedroom. Now that you're ready to find those hidden treasures, let's talk strategy. Auctions can get competitive, but don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you get the best deals. First and foremost, set a budget before you even step foot in an auction or start browsing online. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of bidding, so having a firm limit in mind will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Keep in mind that you'll likely have to pay a buyer's premium on top of your winning bid, so factor that into your budget as well. Now, one of my favorite things to look for are no-reserve auctions. These are auctions where there's no minimum bid, meaning you could potentially snag an item for a steal. These auctions are great for finding hidden gems at incredible prices. Another tip is to avoid getting caught up in bidding wars early on. Instead of bidding right away, hang back and observe. Watch how the bidding is going and see if you can get a feel for what other bidders are willing to pay. Then, in the last few minutes of the auction, swoop in with your bid. This strategy, often called sniping, can help you avoid driving up the price too early and potentially secure the item for less. And here's a bonus tip. Don't be afraid to walk away. If the bidding goes beyond your budget or you're having second thoughts, it's perfectly okay to step back. There are always more auctions and more treasures to be found. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the thrill of the hunt. Auctions are a fantastic way to find unique pieces with character and history. And with a little savvy bidding, you can furnish your home with style without breaking the bank. And there you have it, friends. Everything you need to know to conquer the exciting world of auction, finds and transform them into treasures for your home. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun, embrace the thrill of the hunt, and let your creativity run wild. I can't wait to see what amazing pieces you discover. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these DIY projects are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future DIY adventures.